Good evening, class.
Good evening, madam.
How are you doing?
Fantastic.
Mine also have been good. I hope you are ready for the class today.
Yes.
Okay. Where is the class rep? He or she should have tracked the board. He's absent. Okay. Next time, you remind him or her to clear the board for us. Yes. Yeah, so before we start, I would like to know who is here and who is not here. Nathan,
Present.
Faith, Divina, Staff class. Sorry. Frederick,
Present, madam.
Teresa, present. Vivian, present. So today we are going to discuss about classifications of information systems. What is the date today? 23rd of October. And our today's objectives will be, we would like to know what is the importance of classifying information systems and how basically they are classified. I hope my handwriting is so that's what we cover today. So I would like you to turn to your friends and tell them or discuss what's the importance of classifying information. And before you do that, on our last class we discussed on the levels of management in information systems, and we discussed on 3 basic levels. That is the top, middle, and lower levels. Yeah. So I would like you to tell your friends on the importance of classifying information systems in organizations. Are you done? Lila, what did Faith tell you? One of the importances of classifying information systems. When was here, it helps in identifying usernames, and of course, the users of the information systems are those people who are working in an organization. For example, when you are wanafanya kazi hapa KSTV, they of course need information to to do their daily operations of agriculture.